In a few minutes, I'll meet my partners. They're standing and waiting for the new Summer Academy 2021 to begin. Power, overcoming, courage, massive upgrade of leadership skills.
Anything to win.
Bring it on!
Extreme opportunity to prove yourself and say a determined no to any fear. A unique event equal to which no one has ever held. Except for those who are not afraid of such a scale. And this is us. Are you ready?
Blow me down!
Things like this never happened before. 42 participants, leaders of APL. All of them will face tests of strength and daunting challenges. Well, the kidding is over.
We will come home victorious.
Their final goal to become the Starship Troopers of APL.
APL, we are here to win!
Get themselves up to the highest level and start a new challenge. I jumped from the helicopter, but I can't swim. Only one gets Tesla. All of this is APL Summer Academy Wild Panama. It's a new point of growth.
In APL, every leader, every person is valuable. Nobody in the whole world does that.
Let's go. You can say it's just a game, but it's not. It's all real here.
Oh boy!
Here and here only, participants change once and for all, discovering skills and talents they had no idea they possess.
There is no fear, and I'm going to the top and will stop at no end.
New level of courage, quick breakthrough in strategic thinking, and resilience tested to its core. Look what they're doing.
I see the goal, not the obstacle. It's amazing to see people getting organized, helping each other.
We're a team. Got anything to add? Let everyone make their own contribution.
I've overcome fear, treachery. My feet are shaking, hands are shaking.
My worst fears came true, damn it.
Love her!
The exclusive training program of APL Summer Academy. It's fearless adventure, breath-catching emotions, solid team building, and of course, surprises from the president of the company that you definitely will never forget. It's really a whale of training and an enormous amount of work.
And bless you, Sergei and Olga, for an amazing event.
Fantastic event that will change your vision of what is cool, bold, daring. And it is possible only with us.
What is Academy? It's drive.
What's the point? To get confidence and growth that will bring your personality to inner freedom and therefore bigger checks in APL.
I had no idea I'm capable of this.
I don't know if I could have done it, but I'm so glad it was just that.
Leave the past behind. Put the future aside. It's just you, your choice, and this present moment. APL is a family. It's not long before we refresh our memories with a spectacular large-scale video trip with the Summer Camp APL team. Don't miss it on small screens of your devices and our company's big screens.